Yeah,
I swear to God.
yeah. Fuck your album, shit ain't slapping like my mixtape. I'm getting Saudi Arabia money, serving R-base. Rob a rapper and say my name, get his chain back. My bitch cheat on me, I find out, get her chain snatched. 1,000 grams on a Cuban, bought a few blocks.
G7.
Hustle of the central, ordered up a few drops.
G7.
Park a Ferrari in the trenches, feel like Tupac.
Let's get it.
Bought a paddock for my bitch, signed a death row.
My bitch ain't gon' cheat unless it's with a bitch we brought back home. I ain't talking clothes with crosses, we all pop out rockin' chrome. This money shit get blown, these bitches they get flown and sent back home. Drink about this in level 2 Macomb, we fucking it up in Rome. All this shit